Hi, this is Andrew Greess, and today I'm going to talk to you about a new feature at qspray.com. And it's basically you can design your own spray wand for your pest control or your landscape business. And we came up with this because lots of customers know what they want, and it was hard to show every option on a website. So what we did is we created a single product where you get to pick all the components of your spray wand. And we call it, here's the product, it's called Spray Wand Design Your Own. And the way you get there is you go to QSpray, go to Power Sprayer Parts, Spray Guns, Spray Wands Design Your Own, and you'll come here. And then you either click the photo or click Choose Options, it doesn't matter. And this is what comes up. And there's three separate sections. There's Select Your Spray Valve, Select Your Spray Wand, and select your spray tip. So let's start with spray valve. That's basically the shutoff valve. And we have four options. And it's a little bit hard to see with all the stuff on the page. And this is probably easier to do on a desktop or iPad type device rather than a phone. But if you hover the mouse over each one of these photos, it'll blow up so you can see it better. So we've got the 36 gun, which is the biggest, heaviest duty of the spray valves. It's the longer one. It's all brass components there. We've got the 31 gun jet, which is a little bit more compact but still heavy duty. We've got the lighter weight 64-66 spray systems valve, and then we've got the plastic AA30, which is more of a pistol style gun. And we've chosen these four valves to make all these parts interchangeable. There are other spraying systems valves, but these all have the correct threads so that it's easy to match. And then we come over here, so you click whichever one you want, okay? And as you click it, it'll add the price to the carts or to the product, so you'll see what you're spending, and if you select a different item, it'll change the price. So if we go back to the 31 valve, it's a little bit less expensive. My suggestion is you buy what's comfortable and what will be most productive for you rather than saving a few dollars on the price. Okay, and then wands. We've got two different wands. We've got the curved wand, or we've got the straight wand, and we've got them in four different sizes, 18, 24, 30, and 36 for both curved and straight. Okay, and again, those are the most popular sizes. There is a little bit shorter and a little bit longer, but we just don't sell many of them. The short one is way too short, and the long one, I think, is just risky. There's a 48-inch one, but it's too easy to break, so we skip that one. And again, you just put whatever you want in the cart. Let's say you want a 24-inch wand, and you'll see the price has gone up a little bit for the wand. And then you pick the tips, and we've got two basic types of tips. We've got the cone jet adjustable brass tip, which goes from a pin stream to a cone. And we've got a variety of different sizes from the 8 all the way up to the 26. And again, the smaller the number, the smaller the spray. So 8 would be less volume than the 26. And then we've got the flat fan tips, okay? And we've got the really small, this one, the 80-00050, is kind of like the B&G fine flat fan spray. The 067 is the B&G coarse fan spray. And then we go up from there, the 1, 3, and the 80-01, the way this works is 80 is the number of degrees. It's an 80-degree pattern. And 01 means it's a tenth of a gallon per minute. So an 80-10 would be 80-degree pattern, 1 gallon a minute. 80-20, 2 gallons a minute. 30, etc. And you pick whichever tip you want. And again, the price will have gone up a little bit, so we're at $82.97. And then all you do is add it to the cart, and we will send these components to you. And there will be a small amount of assembly required, but we'll get this shipped out to you within a day, and you'll have exactly what you want. And we sure appreciate you watching this video, and thanks so much for shopping QSpray for your pest and landscape spray equipment requirements.